Hello, Joe here from Infinity of Tacoma. I'm here to tell you about this beautiful 2019 Acura RDX Advanced. The Advanced package is the range topping trim level for the RDX, equipped with just about every available option you can get. 2019 is a fantastic year for the RDX because it got a ground up redesign. It's longer, wider, and taller. New engine, new transmission. It's one awesome vehicle where the old RDX was kind of the opening act. The 2019 one is the main attraction. This segment, this size of luxury crossover is very hot market right now, and many manufacturers are stepping up and putting their best features, best design cues, because this is the market to compete with. And Acura has done a compelling case. With the Advanced package, you get this huge 10.5 inch display screen. Has this really cool, it's like a mouse trackpad to use the infotainment system. It's a little bit of a learning curve, but I'm starting to get used to it. Some of these simpler controls are easy push buttons. This has heated and cooled front seats. I can tell you, it's pretty hot outside. So those cooled seats come in very nice, circulating air conditioned air through the perforated holes in the seats. Look at these beautiful supportive leather seats, beautiful design, nice high quality leather. Look at nice piping around the seats. Very comfortable. Synthetic wood trim on the dashboard, nice open pore wood trim as well. Black piano finish. This features a 10-speed automatic transmission. With the 2019 RDX, the V6 has gone, replaced by a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that makes more power and more torque than the outgoing V6 engine, and it's also more fuel efficient. I think it's 27 miles per gallon on the highway. Heated steering wheel, blind spot warning, lane departure warning, road departure warning, lane keep assist, forward emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, huge panoramic sunroof, acoustically dampened windshield, and the side glass is also acoustically dampened for a quieter interior. Keyless ignition with push button start. The list of features goes on and on. And with only 2,500 miles, it's a great alternative over a brand new one if you like the options and color combination. The one thing that's different is you're not going to pay that new car price. One of the biggest hits in depreciation is when you take a new car and drive it off the lot, because guess what? It became a used car and it's depreciated a bunch of money. Unfortunately, someone already has done it with this RDX. For whatever reason, they didn't like it. I don't know why. Maybe it wasn't the exact vehicle they wanted. There could be many of different reasons. Sometimes with luxury automobiles and sports cars, you're dealing with people with money, and generally if you have a larger disposable income, it's not as much a big deal to switch vehicles. You know, for some people, a $5,000 or $10,000 hit on a new car is unpalatable, and they'll just tough it out and keep that vehicle for a while. But for some people that have a lot of money, it's not quite a big deal. If they don't like a vehicle, they'll just get something else. Maybe that was the case with this one. They also have a heated outbound seats, 2 USB charger ports, all season floor mats, plenty of space back here. I'm 6'2". I had the front seat comfortably adjusted for my height, and you can still see I have plenty of legroom back here. Really nice color combination. It also features Acura's super handling all-wheel drive system. Even though it is a crossover, it is very fun to drive with that turbocharged engine. And with the Advanced package, you get adaptive dampers. So depending on the different sport modes, you have so basically, I guess I should have went a little bit deeper into that point. There's a drive mode selector, so you can toggle the drive mode selector for different types of driving modes. There's like a sport mode, an eco mode, a comfort mode. But at the sportiest setting, it's going to firm up those dampers so it handles a little bit better, less body roll. The transmission's going to hold out RPMs a little bit longer before it shifts, making it a little bit more of a fun car to drive. LED headlights and LED taillights provides outstanding nighttime visibility. If you happen to live in a different part of the country, we have a big pre-owned business. We regularly sell vehicles out of state every month. The process is easier than you might think. We can help arrange shipping, and we can even help get the vehicle registered and licensed in your home state. Contact us for more details. For your local customers, this RDX is backed by a 5-day, 100% money back guarantee. We want to make sure that you're happy with the vehicle you purchase from us, be it new or pre-owned, so that's why we have that 5-day money back guarantee. No restocking fees, no gimmicks, it's 100% money back. Please contact us for more details. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.